Talkify Podcast. Improve your English conversation.
Imagine this. You're standing there. The words are in your head, but your throat, it feels like a locked door.
I know that feeling. The world is waiting for an answer, and your mind is just searching through empty drawers.
It's the English panic. We think we need a dictionary to survive, but really, we just need a breath.
People think confidence is a loud voice, but for a beginner, confidence is just staying in the room, not running away when the sentence gets messy.
Exactly. If you can't find the word exhausted, just say, I am very, very tired. The soul of the message is still there.
Yes, simplicity isn't a weakness, it's a choice. It's saying, I am here, and this is what I have.
I used to say the food was big good instead of delicious. And you know what? Everyone understood.
Because they aren't grading your exam, Nico. They are just trying to meet you, to hear you.
So next time you're asked a question, don't rush. Let the silence sit there for a second. It's okay.
Silence is power. It shows you are thinking, not panicking. Let me think is a very confident sentence.
It's the most honest one. Don't be a robot. Be a human who's learning. The perfection you're looking for, it doesn't exist.
Start small. One word, one smile. The language is just a tool. You are the music.
Well said. So don't wait for the perfect English. Just give them the English you have today.
It's enough. You are enough.
The weight of the pause. Let's go deeper. Why do we fear the silence between two people? It's like we are afraid they'll see the real us if we don't keep talking.
Oh, it's true. We use words like armor. If we stop speaking, we feel naked, exposed, especially in a language that isn't ours.
The armor of words. But the armor is heavy, isn't it? It makes you move slowly. It makes you tired.
Yes, and then you wonder why you're exhausted after a 5-minute chat. It's not the English that's hard, it's the weight of trying to be someone else.
The myth of the mistake. I saw a bird today. It landed on a branch, it slipped, it fluttered, and then it sat still. It didn't look embarrassed.
Because the bird doesn't have an ego. Humans, oh, we have big ones. We think a bad verb makes us a bad person.
Imagine that. I said he go instead of he goes. I am a failure as a human. It sounds funny when you say it out loud, doesn't it?
It does, but in the moment, it feels like a tragedy. We need to let the mistake just be a sound, nothing more.
A sound. I like that. A mistake is just a vibration in the air that didn't go as planned. Wave your hand and it's gone.
The power of I don't know.
That's a power move. It's saying, I am the master of my journey, and I know where I am.
Exactly. When you hide, you look small. When you admit the gap, you look huge.
It's like a map. If you're lost, you don't pretend you're at the destination. You look at the map and say, I am here. Help me get there.
And people love to help. Most people aren't waiting for you to fail. They are waiting for you to connect.
The slow response. Let's talk about speed. Everyone wants to speak English like a racing car. Vroom, vroom, fast and loud.
But the most interesting people, they speak like a river. Sometimes it slows down in the deep parts. Sometimes it stops in a quiet pool.
A river. If you speak slowly, you give yourself time to breathe. And if you breathe, you can think.
Speed often is just hidden panic. Confidence is the luxury of taking your time. Let me see.
Oh, I love that phrase. Let me see. It's a bridge. It's a way to tell the other person, I'm still here, just thinking. Why do we hate simple words, Nico? Why do we want extraordinary when good works?
Because we want to impress. We think big words are like expensive clothes. But if the clothes don't fit, you look silly.
Simple English is like a white t-shirt. It's clean, it's classic, it always works. I am happy. This is hard. I agree.
It's honest. And honesty is the shortest path between two hearts. If you try to be fancy, you get lost in the woods.
Stay on the path. The simple path leads to the same place.
The listener's secret.
Here's the secret. Most people aren't even listening to your grammar. They're listening to your energy.
It's true. If you are smiling and relaxed, they feel relaxed too. If you are sweating and shaking, they feel nervous too.
So if you want them to think your English is good, just be comfortable with your English being okay.
The paradox of peace. The less you care about being perfect, the more perfect you seem.
It's a beautiful trick of the mind.
The first step of the day.
So, what is the homework for the soul today?
Tomorrow, when someone asks you a question, don't answer immediately. Count to 3.
1, 2, 3. And then?
And then speak, not as a student, not as a beginner, but as a person who has something to say.
Even if it's just one word?
Even if it's just yes.
The wall is only as high as you imagine it to be.
And today, we just took a brick out of it. See? It's already crumbling.
Keep walking.
Keep talking. We're listening.
The final echo. You're still here. That means you're ready. The fear didn't win today.
It never wins if you keep showing up. English is just a game of showing up.
I like that. See you in the next one?
See you there.
Let's talk about the person in the mirror, the one you talk to when no one is watching. The English there, it's perfect, isn't it?
Oh, in our heads, we are poets. In our heads, we are kings and queens of the language. But then the front door opens.
The world happens, and suddenly the king becomes a stuttering child. Why is the mirror so kind, but the street so cruel?
Maybe because the mirror doesn't judge. The street, well, we think the street is judging, but the street is actually just busy.
I met a ghost today, the ghost of perfect grammar. It told me, don't speak until you know every rule.
That ghost is a liar. If we waited for perfection, we would never walk. We would still be crawling on the floor.
Imagine a baby saying, I won't walk until I understand gravity. That's us. We won't speak until we understand the past participle.
It's a trap. The language is a tool for the messy, living world, not a museum for perfect sentences.
Let the ghost haunt someone else. I'd rather be a living mistake than a silent statue.
You know what's a secret weapon for confidence? Active listening, using your body to speak when your tongue is tired.
Oh, the nod, the I see, the It keeps the bridge open. It tells the other person, I am with you.
Yes, confidence isn't just about giving information. It's about holding the space, even if you only say 3 words in 5 minutes.
I once had a whole lunch with a stranger. I only said, really, and that's amazing. They told me I was a great conversationalist.
Because you gave them your attention. English is 50% words and 50% heart.
Let's address the elephant in the room, the accent. People try so hard to sound like they are from London or New York.
But why? Your accent is your history. It's the flavor of your home.
Yeah, exactly. Why eat plain bread when you can have spice? An accent is just a sign that you know more than one world.
It's a badge of honor. Never apologize for the way your tongue moves. As long as you are clear, you are powerful.
I am sorry for my English. Let's delete that sentence from the world. Replace it with, thank you for your patience.
Oh, that's a beautiful shift. One is an apology for existing. The other is a gift of gratitude.
Confidence doesn't happen in a day. It's a collection of tiny, brave moments. Ordering a coffee, asking for the time.
The coffee victory. When the barista understands you the first time, it feels like winning a marathon.
It really does. Celebrate those. Don't look at the mountain you haven't climbed.
Look at the steps you've already taken. Even if they were shaky steps, they count.
The rhythm of learning. Sometimes you have a bad English day. Do you have those, Natiri, where every word feels like a stone?
Oh, every week. Days where my brain feels like it's full of fog. And that's okay.
It's the rhythm of the tide. The ocean goes out, but it always comes back. If you can't speak well today, just listen well.
Tomorrow, the words will return. They are just...
So, the lock on the door, the one we talked about at the start, the key isn't a dictionary.
No, the key is permission. Permitting yourself to be a beginner. Permitting yourself to be human.
Take a deep breath, open the door. The world is waiting to hear your voice.
Messy, simple, and beautiful.
See you tomorrow?
I'll be there.
Are you still listening? Good. That means the spark is still there. Don't let it go out.
One word at a time. One breath at a time. You're doing great.
Let's talk about the audience. Not the people in this podcast, but the imaginary audience in your head.
Oh, they are the loudest ones. They aren't even real, but they are standing there judging every and the.
They have red pens waiting to circle your mistakes. But here's a secret. Everyone is too busy worrying about their own red pens.
Yes, everyone is the protagonist of their own struggle. They aren't looking for your errors. They're looking for a connection.
The safe mistake. Have you ever noticed when a foreigner speaks your language with a tiny mistake, you don't think they're stupid?
Never. I think they're brave. I think, wow, they're trying to reach me.
Exactly. So why do we think the world hates our mistakes? It's a strange double standard we keep in our pockets.
We are our own harshest critics. We need to be our own best friends instead. Hey, you used a verb. Good job.
Good job, me. It sounds silly, but the brain loves it. It's like giving a small treat to a puppy.
The vocabulary diet. People often ask, how many words do I need to be confident? Is it 1,000? 5,000?
I think it's about 80. The 80 essentials. If you have those, you can survive a desert island or a dinner party.
A desert island might be easier. No one to correct your grammar there. But really, most native speakers use the same simple words 90% of the time.
Oh, it's true. We say stuff and thing and get and do. We're lazy. So why are you trying to be a walking dictionary?
Stop trying to climb the mountain in high heels. Put on your sneakers. Use the simple words. They get you further.
The replay trap. Do you do this, Ditiri? You finish a conversation, you go home, and then you replay it in your head for 3 hours?
Oh, the midnight replay. I should have said went. Why did I say go? It's a ghost story we tell ourselves.
It's a horror movie. But the person you were talking to, they forgot what you said 5 minutes after you left.
They're thinking about what they're having for dinner or their own midnight replay. Let the conversation die when it's over.
Let it rest in peace. The past version of your English is gone. Focus on the one that's breathing right now.
The body language bridge. If the words fail, let your eyes speak. A smile is the same in every language. A shrug says more than a long, confusing sentence.
Oh, I love the shrug. It's the universal sign for I'm trying, but the word is hiding. It makes people laugh with you.
And laughter, well, that's the best bridge of all. When you laugh at your own struggle, the struggle loses its power over you.
You can't be afraid of something you're laughing at. Confidence is just being okay with being under construction.
The horizon. So, what's the vision for today? Where are we going?
We're going toward the first sentence, the one you don't overthink, the one you just release into the air.
Like a bird. It might fly straight, it might wobble, but it's in the sky.
And the sky is big enough for all of us, even the wobblers.
Especially the wobblers.
The road is long, but the view is getting better, isn't it?
Much better. I can see the sun from here.
See you on the path.
See you soon.